outside.
So Cucina, from our little cozy garden to this desert, Sahara, outdoors.
Finally, Cucina goes to the desert.
So this has been in the making since one of our previous Cucina events, where we actually had Sami and Bana come over. And during that event, we said, you know what? You guys are out in the desert, you're nomad trailer, we're Cucina, let's bring desert and food together.
Yep.
And here we are.
Yeah, and this is the first of its kind, but then there's a whole series coming up.
Hi guys, Alex from AC Smokeyard here. So just doing some picanhas on the Conca grill. The idea is very simple: salt, pepper, just a touch of oregano on it, and it's going to cook for 4 hours, slowly rotating. Yeah, you can take that.
Cheers, beef heart. I'll eat anything right now, I'm so hungry.
Anyone say barbecue?
It's always there. It's always there.
What's up?
Korean short ribs, flanken short ribs from Carney's store.
Side, we have some tri-tips. Take a look at this. Sweet tomahawk at the bottom. Chimichurri, we're going to do that. We're going to put some red wine vinegar and at the same time some olive oil, and it's good to go. Food really brings everybody together.
Everything was delicious.
I think we're making some tacos. I think we're making a lot of tacos. This is birria tacos.
She's got a tattoo of a taco on her elbow.
Sick event, great food, great people, beautiful time.
The vibe is amazing. I think it's unique. I think the station